Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Shopify product page UI using Shopify Sections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your Shopify product page UI using Shopify Sections, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section in the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to access your current theme. Next, find your active theme and click on Customize. This will open the theme editor, where you can edit various sections of your site. Select the product page from the page selector at the top of the editor. You will see the product sections currently available for customization. To add a new section, click on the Add Section button. Choose from the available sections that suit your product page design. After adding a section, you can drag and drop it to rearrange its position on the page. Click on the newly added section to customize its content. You can modify settings such as text, images, colors, and more to fit your branding. Make sure to preview the changes to see how they appear on the actual product page. If you wish to remove a section, click on the section and select the Remove option. Adjust the settings of other sections as needed to create a cohesive design. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click the Save button in the top right corner. Your product page UI is now updated with the new design elements you selected. To view the changes, go back to your store and visit one of your product pages. Remember to periodically review and adjust your product page to keep it fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.